Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings to remove the Apple Music lock screen widget. This is where control permissions live. First, tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, then Authenticate. Why? Because lock screen media controls are tied to these security settings. Once you're past the passcode screen, you'll see the options that control what appears while your device is locked. Make sure to read the labels. They determine whether media controls show automatically when audio is playing. Once done with passcode options, scroll to allow access when locked and focus on Control Center and Today View toggles. Turn off Control Center to stop playback control gestures from appearing and disable Today View if the widget lives there. This directly stops the Apple Music widget from loading. You're doing this so the system won't surface media controls without unlocking. If you still want quick access, leave Control Center on and instead pause or close music before locking. Finish by making sure Apple Music and any audio apps aren't running. Double-click or swipe up to open the app switcher, then swipe the apps away. That removes active media sessions that trigger the widget. If the widget persists, restart your device so settings refresh. Make sure to try force closing and restart before resetting anything drastic. Quick troubleshooting tip. If controls return, test with Bluetooth off. A paired device can recreate the widget even when the phone settings are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.